accidentally deleted something important, whether it was a photo, video, document or any type of file, and then emptied your recycle bin, don't panic. In this video, I am going to walk you step by step through the exact method you can use to recover your deleted files completely for free, even after the recycle bin has been emptied. So let's get started. First, I will delete some files so I can show you the exact process of recovering them. I open this PC and I will go to local disk F. Here I have saved some videos and photos. Now I'm going to delete all of them. I'm selecting all the files and clicking delete. Now all these files have gone into the recycle bin, as you already know. Next I will open the recycle bin, select everything inside and click delete again to permanently erase all files. After emptying the recycle bin, there is no built-in option in the PC to recover this data, and that's when most people start to panic. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how you can recover everything. For that you need a simple tool called TenorShare 4D data recovery software. I will leave the website link for download in the description. You just have to download and install it on your system. You can choose either the free version or the pro version depending on your needs. The free version allows you to recover up to 2 GB of data completely free of cost. So after clicking on free download, install it. Once installed, open the software. Double-click the icon, and if the system asks for permission, simply allow it. Wait a few seconds until everything loads. You will now see a very clean and straightforward interface. Here you'll see all the drives listed, along with common locations like recycle bin, desktop, and specific folders. You can recover data from all of these locations. You will also find an option for SD card recovery. This feature allows you to recover deleted photos, videos, documents, and any other files from SD cards, micro SD cards, camera cards, mobile memory cards, and even corrupted or unreadable SD cards. Next, you also have camera recovery, which helps you recover deleted or formatted photos and videos from camera memory cards. One more powerful feature that many people skip is cloud drive recovery. With this option, you can recover files that were deleted from cloud services such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and other cloud storage accounts. This is extremely useful if you accidentally deleted a file from your cloud drive, or if your cloud sync mistakenly removed files across all your devices. 4D can scan your synced cloud folders and help you restore files that you thought were permanently gone. Then there is crashed PC recovery, which allows you to recover data even when your Windows won't boot or your PC is stuck or keeps crashing. 4D can even create a bootable USB to help you recover your entire data system if Windows cannot load normally. Finally, you have file repair, which allows you to repair corrupted photos, videos, documents, and other files that won't open properly. So even if your file is damaged, this tool can fix and restore it. These are very useful features. Now I will show you how this tool can recover deleted data. I deleted my data from local disk F, so I will select this drive first. Click on scan. Here you can select the file format you want to recover: photos, videos, documents, audio, other files, and system files. If you want to recover only photos and videos, simply select those options. Now just click on select file type and the scanning will begin. Wait until the scan is completed. It may take a couple of minutes depending on your drive size. Once it's done, you will see a scan completed window. Click OK. Now you have the option to preview the files. Click on type and you will see photo and video folders. Let's say I click on video and then on MP4. Here I can see all my deleted videos and I can recover them easily. So I'm selecting those videos, and after that I click on recover. Now select the disk where you want to save the recovered data. Once it's done, click view recovered and the recovered folder will open. Follow the path where the folder takes you and you will see your recovered data. You can now open and play the files normally. In the same way, you can recover deleted photos and any other files that were permanently deleted by mistake. If this video helped you recover your important files, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need this. Your support really motivates me to bring more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.